Today, we're going about to talk about the protein with the power with the tuna sandwich. Protein is a food that makes our body big and strong. Like this. Look at my muscles. I am strong. The protein is like a Lego. Like this. You need to build it like this. So you can build a building. Like that. You can build a tower. The protein is like this. It's very strong and solid. I have example here of the protein food. The first is fish. I have a fish. And this is also a tuna. And one example of protein is flax seeds. And the other one is peanut butter. And egg also is a protein. A lot of eggs, a lot of protein, right? Now let's hear a story about fish, about tuna. Hello, I'm Tuning. My name is Tuning. And I can swim. I help kids to grow and strong. Now let's play a game. You go to the kitchen and find one protein for me and you bring back here. I wait here. Go to the kitchen. Wow, you get this one, you get a tuna. Wow. So now we can make now a tuna sandwich. And before we make a tuna sandwich, let's go to the kitchen and wash our hand. Okay. Wash your hand. We sing happy birthday 2 times. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tina. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon relish. 2 finely tablespoon celery. 2 grated carrots. 2 tablespoon grated carrots. 1/2 teaspoon dill. Pinch of salt. I know. The slices of cucumber. Pepper. Pinch of pepper. And then the grain crackers. This one. Cut. Here, I take out the water of the tuna. That one, BGR. Use this spatula. Use this one. Use this one. Yeah. And this one. Okay, this one. And this one also. I hold for you. I hold for you. And this one too. And this one. You must put 2 tablespoons. 1. And we've got 1 tablespoon of relish. I put for you. And then cut. This is the dill, 1/2 teaspoon. And then pinch of salt. And pinch of black pepper. And then you can mix everything now. Mix everything. Slowly mix. Hold tight like that. And then mix. I help you. Wow, this is yummy. This is protein. Can make our body strong and energy for the whole day. And now this is your crackers. And mine. And then you put like this. Little. Put in yours. Yeah, spread it. Yeah, and you can put cucumber on the top. Me too. And then come on, let's eat.
Oh no.
Mmm, yummy. Mmm. You like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Take the sandwich.
Yeah.
Wow, you become a very strong. And now we will have like a little quiz. What you have learned. Is egg is a protein?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is fish is a protein?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is candy is a protein?
No.
Very good. Well done, RR. Good job. Hug mommy.